Shri Krishna, we will do Hanuman Chalisa meaning from 21st Chaupai. This is the second part of Hanuman Chalisa. So 21st Chaupai, राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. तो Ram is Sri Ram, Lord Ram. Duare is door. Tuma you. Rakhware, he is the keeper, guard for Sri Ram. Hoth have, having. Na without. Agya is permission. Binu nobody. Paisare enter or come in. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that Lord Hanuman is the security guard. We can say in very simple language. Lord Hanuman is the security guard for Lord Sri Ram, and nobody can enter without the permission of Lord Hanumanji. So Lord Ram's abode is been guarded by Lord Hanuman. He is always there. He is guarding the house of Sri Ram. And here Tulsidas ji is saying that you are the doorkeeper for Lord Ram's court. So it's very simple. We are singing the glory of Lord Hanuman. Now, Nalini ma'am, please explain.
So here it is understood that Hanumanji is the doorkeeper for Lord Ram, and without Hanumanji's permission, we cannot enter to meet Lord Sri Ram.
Thank you, ma'am. Next chaupai. सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. Sab is all, Sukha is happiness or pleasure, Lahi stay, Tumhari in your, Sarana refugee, Tuma you, Raksha is protector, Kaho ko that is why or of whom, Darna means to be afraid. So here Tulsidas ji is saying, and when we are singing Hanuman Chalisa, we are saying towards Lord Hanuman, all happiness stay with those who are devotee of yours, and when you are the protector, then what is the need to be afraid? Na? Like you are singing that you are my protector, Lord Hanuman is my protector. When you are protecting me, then why I should be afraid? All the happiness will stay with us when we become a devotee of Lord Hanuman. Devotee means you start loving Lord Hanuman, you start trusting Lord Hanuman, you have faith in Lord Hanuman, and you keep remembering Lord Hanuman always. Then you get all the happiness, and you have that belief that Lord Hanuman is protecting you, and why you should be afraid of anything. It can be anything. So this is what it has been said in 22nd Chaupai. Nalini ma'am.
So when we have faith in Lord Hanumanji, we need not. We will enjoy the happiness, and we will not need to be fear for anything because we are under the protection of Lord Hanuman.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Next, we will go to the next chaupai. आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, तीनों लोग हाँकते कांपे. तो आपन is your, tej is power, tej is power of Lord Hanuman. Samharo destroy or control, api you, तीनों is three, lok is world, hanke is fear, kape is shake. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that only Lord Hanuman has the power to destroy all the other powers, and all the three worlds, they are afraid of Lord Hanuman. They get they tremble because of the fear of Lord Hanuman, because he is so much powerful that he can destroy the power of any other power. Only Lord Hanuman has that boom, you can say, or the power that to destroy the other powers. What are the other powers? The demonic powers, the negative power. So Hanumanji has that ability, and because of that ability all the other three worlds are scared. They are so scared that they shiver or they tremble. Nalini ma'am, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. So Tulsi Das ji says that Lord Hanuman has that power to destroy uh, anything negative or anything demonic. And only Lord Hanuman ji has that power to destroy anything.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next 24. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. Bhoot is evil spirits, Pishash is ghost, Nikat close, Nahi not, Avai come, Mahavira, that means Maha plus Veera plus great plus brave. So it is another name for Lord Hanuman for his bravery. Jaba when, Nama name, Sunave heard. So it is a very old saying that whenever you feel that no evil spirit or ghost or some negative energy is coming towards you, and if you are scared of anything, you should sing Hanuman Chalisa so that you get protection from Lord Hanuman, and those negative spirits or ghosts, they get, though they are very scared of Lord Hanuman, so they will run away. So same thing is it is told by Tulsi Das ji as well, that when anyone sing Hanuman Chalisa or remember Hanuman ji, none of the negative spirits or ghosts or evils can come near to you, because they are very scared of Lord Hanuman and they don't have the courage to stand in front of Lord Hanuman. So he is saying you are the most courageous one. That is Mahabhira. Maha means great. Bhira is the Bhira means that we can say that soldier, you know. It is a warrior. Bhira. Great is again great. Brave is Hanumanji is very brave. He is very strong, very powerful. Nobody can beat him. He is so much powerful. This has been said in Chopai 24. Nalini ma'am.
So here Tulsi Das ji says that Lord Hanuman is very powerful. That when we remember Hanuman ji or just recite his name, the evil spirits and any negative energy or any demons, they cannot near us because they are very afraid of Hanuman ji.
Thank you ma'am. 25th Chopai. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. Nase, that is end or destroy. Rog is disease. Hare is end or close. Saba, all. Pira is pain or disease or affection or any infection. Japata, keep repeating or remembering. Japa means again and again the same thing. It is not that you are first reading Hanuman Chalisa, then some other Shiv Chalisa, and then Ganesh Chalisa. No. It is the repetition. Japa means repetition. You are reading Hanuman Chalisa again and again. You are reading Hanuman Chalisa. You are singing Hanuman Chalisa. So that becomes jap. So it is called repeating. Repetition. Then Nirantara, continuously. Veera, brave. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that all the diseases, all the pain, everything is gone by the repetition of Hanuman Chalisa or repeating again and again, remembering Hanuman ji. That is continuously. So all this will be gone when a devotee again and again remember Hanuman ji or sing Hanuman Chalisa. So none of the disease also comes. So everything is gone. Any disease, any infection, any pain, everything is gone. By how? By the jap. That means you are again and again either singing Hanuman Chalisa or remembering Hanumanji. Nalini ma'am, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. So here, so Lord Hanumanji is very powerful that when we regularly keep repeating the Hanuman Chalisa or keep remembering the Hanumanji, he saves us from diseases and keeps us in a good position.
Thank you, ma'am. नेक्स्ट श्लोका चौपाई 26th चौपाई. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे. संकट is the trouble or difficulties or challenges. Te from छुड़ावे release, mana mind, karma is the action or karma means what we do. Vachana words, ध्यान meditate or contemplate, jo who, lave, apply or bring. So what here Tulsidas ji is saying that Hanuman ji take care of his devotees who continuously remember him, who do meditation on him. Meditation are two types of meditation. One, you sit in a isolated room, you are sitting straight, you are not moving and you are focusing on Hanumanji. Second meditation is you are doing your karma, your daily routine, you are doing your work, anything. Everybody has their own different routine. You are doing it and doing that, by doing that, simultaneously you are remembering Hanumanji. You are singing Hanuman Chalisa. Like you must have observed while doing some work, you are singing a song. You are humming, you are singing, or you are thinking of something else. So instead of that, you are remembering Hanumanji. You are singing Hanuman Chalisa. So that is also meditation. So that is the most difficult meditation, that you are doing your work plus you are remembering Hanumanji. So Tulsidas ji is saying that Hanumanji releases. That means he free the devotee from all the troubles, difficulties or challenges whose mind, karma, words, everything is on Hanumanji. They are meditating on Hanumanji, they are singing Hanuman Chalisa, they are always focused on Hanumanji. So that level of worship you need to do, that level of devotee you need to be to get the blessings of Hanumanji, to get the safeguard from Hanumanji that he is always taking care of. So this has been said in 26 Chopai. Ma'am, your turn.
So here Tulsidas ji says that um, one who is very dedicatedly remembers the Hanumanji or chants Hanuman Chalisa, either by meditating, by sitting and meditating with full focus on Hanumanji, or doing some work and remembering Hanumanji at the same time, which is most difficult thing. If they will do that very sincerely, Lord Hanumanji will definitely protect one from trouble and difficulty or any problems we face. For sure, Hanumanji will save us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next Chopai. 27 Chopai. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तीन के काज सकल तुम साजा. Sab is all. Para on, Tapasvi one of the austerities, Raja is king, Teen ke whose Kaj work, Tuma you Saja is carried. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that Raja or the king is Sri Ram. Sri Ram ji is the Raja and he is the king of all the yogis. And Hanumanji carries all the task of Sri Ram, Lord Ram. Lord Ram used to just command and Hanumanji will just do all the tasks. So here we can also understand that one who take refuge in Lord Ram, that means one who worship Lord Ram, Hanumanji take care of those devotees as well because they are worshipping Lord Ram. So Hanumanji is, he's a die-hard fan of Lord Ram, that whoever is worshipping Lord Ram, that means whoever has love towards Lord Ram or trust or faith on Lord Ram, Hanumanji will take care of those devotees as well, even though that devotee is not remembering Hanumanji. That devotee is only remembering Ramji. Still, Hanumanji is in so much of love that because you are remembering Lord Ram, I will take care of you. No, it is like, no, it is, we can also correlate with us. Suppose we like our mom, someone is coming and talking to our mom in a very good way, it is not that one time, every time. So what happened, they are not talking to you with that love, but still you are very concerned for that person because that person is no, that person is very kind to your mother. Same way here, Hanumanji likes Lord Ram so much that he will take care of all the devotees of Lord Ram. This is what has been said by Tulsidas in 27th Chopai. Ma'am, your turn.
In the 27th Chopai, Tulsi Das ji said that Hanumanji is takes care of Lord Ram, and he also also one who prays to not just Hanumanji, also to Lord Ram. They are also very dear to Hanumanji, and so Hanumanji will save those people who are either dedicated to Lord Hanumanji or also to Lord Shri Ram, because he is very dear to Lord Shri Ram.
Thank you, ma'am. Next Chopai 28. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. Or means many or more. Manorath, mental wishes or desires. Jo koi, whoever. Lavi brings. Amita, infinite. Jeevan, life. Phala, fruits. Pave, get or receive. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that whoever, anyone, who is continuously worshipping Lord Hanuman, that means worshipping is what? That worship should be true from your heart. It is not that forcefully you are worshipping Lord Hanuman. It is by compassion, by love towards the God. So whoever worship Lord Hanuman, they remember Lord Hanuman, they sing Hanuman Chalisa. That is continuously. It is not that only Saturdays we remember or only when we are in trouble we remember. It is not that. No matter what is the situation, daily you are remembering Lord Hanuman, daily you are singing Hanuman Chalisa, then what is that you get in return? Lord Hanuman will bless you with no infinite results, infinite happiness, infinite fruits, infinite everything, all the material happiness, material blessings plus spiritual blessings. So here it should be continuously, regularly. You know, it is not that Sundays we forgot or today is the function we forgot or I'm busy, I went for holiday. No, nothing will come in between. Anything, no matter what is going on, any festival, but you are daily remembering Lord Hanuman, you are daily singing Hanuman Chalisa, then you will get the blessings of Lord Hanuman, is that infinite happiness. So in that happiness, everything is covered. When we will be happy, when we get something what we like, it's very obvious. So Hanumanji will take care of everything which will make you happy. This has been said in 28 Chopai. Ma'am, your turn.
So here, one who truly has devotion towards Hanumanji and remembers Hanumanji, irrespective of whatever situation or circumstances, every day they are devoted to Hanumanji and with true heart they just devoted to Hanumanji. Hanumanji will take care of everything, and he will take us to the good. Results, and it gets unlimited fruits and unlimited happiness, either both in material and spiritual ways.
Thank you, ma'am. Next Chopai 29. चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Charo means all the four directions. Juga is the yugas. We have four yugas. Pratap is glory. Tumhara your. Hai is prasiddh famous. Jagat world. Ujiyara illuminate or spread. So this four we can consider the four directions, the four yugs. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that Hanumanji's glories are illuminating all the four directions and all the four yugas. That means when we remember Hanumanji, what we get in return, he is illuminating. So what is illuminating? That means he is giving the directions, the correct path. You know, he's opening our mind, he's changing our way of thinking, he's changing our heart, the way we feel. So we go in the right direction. A person who remembers Hanumanji, sing Hanuman Chalisa, he gets that blessings, that he is getting the guidance by Hanumanji, to be on the right path. And here Hanumanji also glorify all the four directions and all the four yugas. And this is the greatness of Hanumanji, that he is very kind, that he is taking care of the entire universe, the world, which is being created by the Supreme Lord. And he illuminate all the four directions, the entire world. By illuminate means, illuminate is this thing that sun illuminates the earth. That means he gives his sun rays, sunshine, and Hanumanji is to take care of it by illuminating the right path. This has been said by Tulsidas ji in Chaupai 29. Ma'am, your turn.
Here, it's stated that Hanumanji's glory is illuminated across all the four yugas, and his glory is spread across everywhere, which is illuminating. And by remembering Hanumanji, we also get the right direction, and we also get the illumination and get the thought towards the right direction.
Next Chaupai. चौपाई 30. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. Sadhu means the monks or the simple people or the good people. Sant is the saint. K of Tuma, you. Rakhware, you are the guardian or the keeper or the protector. Asura is demons. Nikande, slayer. Dulare is dear. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that Hanumanji take care of all the good people, innocent people, simple people, monks and saints and wise men, from whom all the demons, he take care of good people from the bad people. So nowadays we don't have any demons, we don't have any rakshasas. So it has been said that in Kali Yuga, humans will only be in the Rakshas form. So not all the humans, few humans will be Rakshas, few will be good people, few will be saint, few will be wise men. So Hanumanji take care of all those good people, group of good people from the bad people. And Hanumanji is very dear to Ramji. That we all know that Ramji likes Hanumanji a lot and Hanumanji likes Ramji a lot. So Tulsidas ji is singing the glory. So we need to always remember that when we are singing Hanuman Chalisa, when we are remembering Hanumanji, he is taking care of us. Even though when we don't ask, it's not necessary to always ask. You need to have that trust that I am remembering Hanumanji and Hanumanji is taking care of me. And he is taking care of everything. Here Tulsidas is saying he is taking care of everything. He is blessing you with happiness. He is protecting you from bad energy, negative energy. He is taking care of, he is showing you the right path. So there are many good results when we remember Hanumanji and sing Hanuman Chalisa. Ma'am, your turn.
Here, Hanumanji is said to be the protector of simple people, innocent people, and who are really very good and like saints and sages. And he destroys all the negative energy and the demonic and evil forces. And he is very dear to Lord Sri Ram. So when we have full faith in Hanumanji, he will save us from all negativity.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, 31st Chaupai. अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता. Asht is 8, Siddhi is supernatural power, Nava is 9, Nidhi is treasure, K of Data giver, Asa like that, Bara boon, Dina give or gave, Janaki is Mata Sita, daughter of Janak, Mata mother. So Tulsidas ji is saying that Mata Sita, the wife of Lord Sri Ram, has granted a boon to Hanumanji that he will get 8 siddhis, that is supernatural powers, and 9 nidhis, that is the divine treasure. So it is been gifted by Sita Maiya to Hanumanji because Hanumanji was very great devotee of Lord Ram and Sita Maiya. है ना, तो Sita Maiya has gifted Lord Hanuman with all this. So it's a very simple chopai. Ma'am, your turn.
So here in this Chopai, it said that Hanumanji is gifted by Janaki Mata the 8 siddhis and 9 divine treasures because he is very dear to Lord Sri Ram and Sita Devi.
Thank you, ma'am. 32 chopai. 32nd. राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दास. Ram is Sri Ramji. Ras is devotion or sweetness or love. Rasayan is mixture or collection of sweetness. Tumhare your pasa is near. Sada always. Raho stay. Raghupati is Sri Ramji, Lord of Raghu clan. K of Das, servant or devotee. So Tulsidas ji is saying that Hanumanji, you are the very dear and near devotee of Lord Ram. May this relation last forever. May you always be a devotee of Lord Ram. May you always serve Lord Ram with the same sweetness, with the same love, with the same trust. And it is that love he is comparing with the juice, the flavor, rasayan. Rasayan, nowadays we can say serum, that his love is so pure that Tulsidas ji is saying that it is a rasayan which is full of love. The mixture of all the love, it makes a juice. So he is saying, may this always be remain the same. Your sweetness, your love towards Lord Ram, your devotion towards the Lord Ram, your faith, all may remain the same towards Lord Ram. And he's saying you have a very kind and sweet devotion towards Lord Ram. It is not that forcefully. That love, it is a love, and that love is beyond anything. It is very sweet. He is mentioning this, Tulsidas ji. Ma'am, your turn.
So here Tulsidas ji says, sorry, so Hanumanji is having a very sweet love like this, which is called as Rasayan towards Lord Sri Ram, which is not by force or an artificial means, by just by truthful and deep from heart, he naturally has that love towards Lord Sri Ram, and he is always working as a servant of Lord Sri Ram. So Tulsidas ji says like this, may this always remain forever.
you, ma'am. Next, चौपाई 33. तुमरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. Tumre is your bhajan, is chanting or singing the glories of Lord Hanuman. Ko to pave takes to or gives. Janam is life. Janam janam, life after life. Ke of dukha, unhappiness. Bisrave, remove. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that by singing the glories of Lord Hanuman, or by remembering Lord Hanuman, or by singing Hanuman Chalisa, one can get Sri Ram himself. And by getting Sri Ram, what will happen? All the sufferings will be removed of all the life. You know, we all believe that we have a soul inside us, and that soul has took many janmas, many life, past life, future not yet, but the past we even don't know how many life that soul has been visited. That soul has took so many lives, we don't know. So every life has some or the other suffering that can be removed if we remember if we remember Lord Hanuman or sing Hanuman Chalisa. So by doing that, Lord Ram will be happy and he will remove all the sufferings. So previously we came to know that by worshipping Lord Ram, Hanumanji will be happy. Now Tulsidas ji is saying that by worshipping Lord Hanuman, Lord Ram will also be happy. So it is like you get, by worshipping one god, two gods are happy. So it's so easy that we get blessings from two gods. So this is what it has been said in Chopai 33 by Tulsidas ji. So we need to remember this and we need to worship Lord Hanuman more and more, but with love. We should try that we do with full affection, full devotion, it not forcefully. And we no need to prove to anyone. It is that you have to be honest, because God is inside you. He knows everything, all the truth. So this is what it has been said in 33 Chopai. Ma'am, your turn.
So here it is said that one who is truly devoted to Hanumanji becomes that person will become dear to Lord Sri Ram also. This is just like by getting devoted to Hanumanji, and we will get blessing of both Hanumanji and Lord Sri Ram. And this way, when we are suffering with a different lifestyle, births and with different kind of karmas, we have taken past lot of uh, birth, and we have got a lot of karmas. So when we just pray to Hanumanji with true love, and we will get blessing from both Hanumanji and Lord Sri Ram for the suffering of all these lifetimes.
Thank you, ma'am. The next Chopai 34. अंतकाल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. Ant is end, Kal is time, that is the last breath of the body. Raghupati, Lord Ram, Pura city, Jai go, Jahan where Janma born, Hari Lord Ram, Bhakta devotee, Kahai called as, is said. What is the benefit of remembering Lord Hanuman or singing Hanuman Chalisa? This has been said in this Chopai, that whoever sing Hanuman Chalisa, it is not that just once, it is till your last breath. Daily, when one is singing Hanuman Chalisa, remembering Lord Hanuman with full love, then what is the result? When the last breath is there, that devotee, what the devotee is that devotee is blessed with the abode of Lord Ram. You are singing Hanuman Chalisa, you are worshipping Lord Hanuman, but the result is that you are getting the abode of Lord Ram, where you are born as a devotee of Lord Ram. So it is like you are getting a bonus or you are getting a promotion. By worshipping Hanumanji, you are getting Lord Ram. And that too the abode of Lord Ramji, where no one can enter without the permission of Lord Hanuman. So that is why Lord Hanumanji is giving you the permission that you can go and stay in the abode of Lord Ram. So this is what you get when you remember Lord Hanuman or sing Hanuman Chalisa. So this has been said by one of the greatest devotee of Lord Ram, Tulsidas ji. He is also a devotee, Hanumanji is also a devotee, and we get the abode of Lord Ram. So this is the beauty of Hanuman Chalisa, blessings by singing the Hanuman Chalisa. Ma'am, your turn.
So, by singing Hanuman Chalisa and by remembering Lord Hanumanji, even after death, we will enter into the abode of Lord Sri Ram, and we'll become so much devoted. So, like, uh, it will always be reminding with us that we will be always devoted to Lord Sri Ram, because we will get the blessing of both Hanumanji and Tulsidas.
Thank you, ma'am. Next chaupai 35. और देवता चितना धरिये हनुमत से सर्व सुख करिए और more devta is gods chita mind na don't dhare contemplating sai serving sarva all sukha happiness. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that not on other gods but just on Hanumanji. When you focus your mind, you get all the happiness from Hanumanji because you are serving him. How are you serving? You are not serving any food. You are serving him your trust, your faith, your belief, your love towards Hanumanji, because you are remembering Hanumanji, you are singing Hanuman Chalisa. So that is also a service. You are serving your love towards Hanumanji, and then he gives you happiness. He gives you the eternal happiness because you are remembering him always. So always remember, when we remember God, God blesses with happiness. The happiness is material happiness, spiritual happiness, everything, all kind of happiness which we can't even imagine, which we can't even come in our head. But they know what happiness we want and they bless us. Only thing is that we need to remember. We need to sing, and that is daily, not 1 day or 2 day or 5 days a week. No, it has to be daily, then we get the blessings. Ma'am, it's your turn.
When we are remembering Hanumanji alone and not any other demigods, and we are just every day when we are just devotedly remembering Hanumanji and singing his glories with Hanuman Chalisa, he will give us all kind of happiness.
Thank you, ma'am. Next chaupai 36. संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमरे हनुमत बलबीरा. Sankat is trouble, kate, cut short, mitai, removed, saba, all, pira, pains or troubles, jo who, sumrai, remembers, bala, power, bira is brave. Tulsidas ji saying, whoever remember Hanumanji, what happened? All the troubles, all the difficulties, all the miscomings are being removed by Hanumanji, who is the brave one. Hanumanji is very brave, he is very strong, he is very powerful. So he is saying, you are Balabira. Balabira means Bal, very powerful. Bira means you are the braver. You have the bravery. So Hanumanji will remove everything. He will cut it down. All the pains, all the sorrows, all the sadness, all the difficulties, all the challenges, just by remembering Hanumanji. That only condition. See, again and again Tulsidas ji is writing, by remembering, by worshipping. So this we have to do it if we need the blessings. If you are happy with how the life is, that is fine. But when we want blessings, we need to do a little hard work. That is, we need to remember Hanumanji again and again. We need to bow down to him. We need to say thank you. We need to say sorry. We don't know what mistake we have done. So this is the worship, and you sing Hanuman Chalisa again and again. So this will make that Hanumanji bless you, and he will bless you with everything. All the negative things will be removed, and you will be getting more positive energy. And if we take it, if we remove all those mythological things, God, names, so what is left? Good energy, bad energy. So all the bad energy is gone and good energy you are getting. Very simple. So it is as simple as that. You can say that you are getting the divine energy, you are getting the positive aura, you are getting the positive vibes, and all the negative vibes, negative aura, everything is going away from you. It will not even come near to you. This is what Tulsidas is trying to say. Only and only one thing you have to do is that you don't have to spend any penny, no need to go to any temple, no holy place. Just remember Hanumanji and keep singing Hanuman Chalisa. That's it. And you will get the blessings. Ma'am, your turn.
When we are every day with very dedication and pure heart devoted towards Hanumanji by singing Hanuman Chalisa regularly every day, then our sufferings will end and all the difficulties, troubles, and everything which is unfortunate things will be removed by Hanumanji, and we will be always remaining in happiness.
Thank you, ma'am. The next chopai 37. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई. Jai is victory. Gosai, master of senses. Kripa is mercy or compassion. Karahu, do or show. Guru, teacher. Deva, God. Kine, like. So Tulsidas ji is praying. He's saying that victory to you. Jai, Jai. He's singing, he's praising Lord Hanuman. Jai ho, Jai ho. So he's saying victory to you, O master of senses. Hanumanji is master of senses. He's saying, show me, shower your mercy on us like a guru does or a teacher does. So he is telling that you are like a guru. What a guru or a teacher does? They give knowledge, they show the right path, they make you understand certain things which you are not able to understand. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that you are like a guru. Please have mercy on us. And you are the master of senses, victory to you. Like we praise to our friend, any friend which we like most. When they come, we will say, wow, you have come to here, you are very nice, you are very sweet, looking very pretty. Same way, Tulsidas ji also praising Hanumanji with love, that victory to you, please shower mercy on me like a teacher shower mercy on the students. So when you are singing, you are also praying the same thing. It is like you are saying to Hanumanji that shower mercy on me, shower more love on me. 1 minute. Kirtana ma'am, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, would you like to explain?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Tulsidas ji is telling that victory to Lord Hanuman. He is the controller of senses and be my guru and through all the darkness in my life. He's telling me, bless me with all the good things. Please be as my guru, supreme Lord. Like that he's telling me.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, Chaupai 38. जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छुट्टी बंदी महासुख होई. जो is whoever, shat is 100, bar is times, पाठ कर that means reciting. पाठ means to read again and again, है ना. चौपाई छूतई, छूतई means cut or removed. Bandi, shackles or bondage. Mahashukha, great happiness or bliss. Hoi, happens or get to. So it is a saying that Hanuman Chalisa has to be read 108 times continuously. And whoever does this, that you are continuously, like you are not giving any break, you are sitting and you are reading or you are singing Hanuman Chalisa for 108 times, then what? You are free from all your clutches. We don't know, right, what we have done, the bad karmas, the bad bondages which we have collected. So, Tulsidas ji is saying that those bad bondages can be cut off. How? By singing Hanuman Chalisa for 108 times. And you will be blessed with the great happiness. And this is true. You can try by your own. If you sing Hanuman Chalisa 108 times continuously, you yourself will feel a different aura, some very divine aura, divine energy you are seeing, and you will see that you have been saved, you have been protected from the negativity. So do try once. It's a very great feeling to read Hanuman Chalisa for 108 times, and then you get that feeling that yes, I have done something. No, like something we do and we feel yes, I have achieved it. The same feeling you will get that you have achieved the blessings of Hanumanji. He is there, he is protecting me. So in Hanuman Chalisa also, Tulsidas ji is saying the importance of singing Hanuman Chalisa for 108 times. So do try to cut off your bad karmas, to cut off the bondages, the what the soul has brought from all the janmas, all the bad karmas. This is the easiest way to cut off it. And any any situation in the life or any challenges, you don't know what to do, so you can just sing Hanuman Chalisa over 108 times and you will find the way. You will yourself will see things are sorting out, things are becoming better. So this is what it has been said in 38 Chaupai. Kirtana ma'am, would you like to say?
Yes, ma'am. By singing Hanuman Chalisa for 100 times, we will be free from all the difficulties, ma'am. We will enjoy and we will be free from life and death cycle also, ma'am. But that is continuously.
Yes, ma'am. Continuously. Like not in breaks, but one time you have to sit and do. Because it's very powerful. Next Chaupai 39. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा. जो who यह this पढ़ई read Chalisa is the 40 line hymns. Hoya happens, Siddhi attains, Sakhi witness, Gauresha, Gauri plus Isha, that means the husband of Gauri, that is Lord Shiva. So here Tulsidas ji is saying that Lord Shiva is the witness of the person who is reading Hanuman Chalisa. So he is the witnesser that okay, this devotee has read Hanuman Chalisa. I am the witnesser. I will say yes, this devotee has sing Hanuman Chalisa. So you no need to prove to anyone. All gods are keeping a watch on you if you are singing Hanuman Chalisa or reading it. So this is the benefit that now even Lord Shiv is keeping an eye on you. He is witnessing, he is watching that a devotee has sing Hanuman Chalisa. So this is what we no need to prove to anyone. It is that the gods are watching us, what we are doing, how much we are doing. So here Lord Shiva also is watching because Hanumanji is a incarnation of Lord Shiva. So that is why Lord Shiva also witnesses, he is also keeping in watch when you are worshipping Lord Hanuman, when we are singing Hanuman Chalisa, Lord Shiva is also keeping a watch on you. So this has been said in Shloka 39. So always remember, Hanumanji is the only one of a kind God, God where Lord Ram is connected, Lord Shiva is connected, and Lord Hanuman is there, and Goddess Sita Maya is also there. So they all are there witnessing you just by singing Hanuman Chalisa. So it is super duper, what we say, bonus we can say, when we sing Hanuman Chalisa, we get blessings of 4 gods together. So, Kirtana ma'am, would you like to explain?
Yes, ma'am. Those who read Hanuman Chalisa regularly, they will have witness of Maha Shiva, ma'am, Shivaji. So we don't need to worry that nobody has seen, nobody has made a note like that, ma'am. We will be free. So the Lord is observing us. We need to think every time when we are reading Hanuman Chalisa that someone is witnessing our effort, our prayer, and everything, ma'am. That is sure in Hanuman Chalisa, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
The last chopai, 40. तुलसीदास सदाहरि चेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय में डेरा. Tulsidas ji is the great Tulsidas ji, devotee of Lord Ram. Sada, always. Hari is Lord Ram or Lord Vishnu. Chera, disciple or devotee. Kijai, please do. Nath, again Lord. Hriday is heart. Mama, mind. Dhira, abode. So here, as Tulsidas ji has written this Hanuman Chalisa, he has mentioned his name. But when you are singing, you should remember you are Tulsidas ji, and you are requesting Lord Ram that you make my heart your house, you make my heart your abode, and always come and stay with me. I am your disciple, I am your devotee. That means I am the devotee of Lord Ram, I am the disciple of Lord Ram, I am the great Bhakt of Lord Ram. Please make my heart your abode. So this is what Tulsidas ji has written, and this is what we also mean when we sing Hanuman Chalisa. It is very simple. It's very simple Chalisa, very simple words, but it is very powerful. We have understood everything, how it is powerful, and it is powerful. Do give it a try. You can read for 3 times. You can start with 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, 21, 51, then 108. So slowly you can increase the counts, and you yourself will feel the magic, and you will get more involved in it. Obviously, when we feel the magic in the sense, when we get the results, when we start seeing the results, we start believing more, we start trusting more. The love comes more towards that. So give it a try. You have to work hard first, then you will get the results. It is not that okay, I have understood and now I am waiting when the miracle will happen. No, you have understood, now you have to work on it, you have to work hard, then you will get the blessings. Okay, now this chopai 40, Nalini ma'am, please explain.
Here, Tulsi Das ji says that he is always the servant of Lord Sri Ram, and he is requesting Lord Sri Ram to enter, to be always consider his heart as the abode, and always reside in his heart.
Thank you, ma'am. The doha, last doha. Pavanatane sankat haran mangal murti roop Ram Lakhan Sita Sahit Hriday Basahu Surbhu. Pavanatane, Lord Hanuman's another name. Pavan plus Tane, that is wind plus sun. So Lord Hanumanji is the son of wind god. Sankat trouble, Haran remover, Mangala auspicious, Murati statue or form, Rupa form, Sahita including, Hriday heart, Basahu reside, Sura gods, Bhupa king. So here Tulsidas ji has said that you are the son of wind god. Please remove all my difficulties, my troubles, my sadness, my sorrows, and you are in the most auspicious form. Hanumanji's form is the most auspicious. Please come and reside in my heart, along with Lord Ram, Sita Maiya, and Lakshman. You are the king of all the gods. Please come and reside in my heart. So when you are also singing, you are also meaning the same thing, that you are requesting Lord Ram come along with Ramji, Sita Maiya and Lakshmanji and come and stay in your heart and to remove all the difficulties in our life. So Lord Hanumanji is famous for that, to remove all the negativities, to remove all the difficulties, anything. It can be to remove all the fear. Sometimes we are scared in the night, so you can sing Hanuman Chalisa. Sometimes you are scared that someone is following you, you can sing Hanuman Chalisa. You will get instant help. It is not you have to wait. Instantly you will get help. What is the help? You are scared. So what is the scaredness? It is a feeling. So that feeling will be gone. It is a feeling, right? We are in the darkness, you are seeing someone is there. So what is that? It is a feeling. You will come out of that feeling. So this is the way you get the help. Na? Things are not complicated. We don't know how to deal with it. So when you sing Hanuman Chalisa, you are getting the help from Hanumanji, and it is you know certain things, but Hanumanji know everything. So he will take care of you in all the aspect, not just in one aspect. Chaliye, we will conclude this class with this doha, Hanuman Chalisa. Thank you Hanumanji, thank you Ramji, thank you Krishna Bhagwanji for blessing us to have this session, and sorry for our mistakes. If any of us have done any mistakes, please forgive God. Chaliye, Nalini ma'am, please explain this last doha.
So here Tulsidas ji says, requests Lord Hanumanji, who is the who one who saves us from all difficulty. So he requests us, Lord Hanumanji, to reside in his heart along with Lord Sri Ram, Lakshman, and Sita Devi. And when we are into any difficulty or any fear or anything, it is just that if we remember Hanuman Chalisa and with a pure heart and we pray to them, for sure they will come and save us, and we will be always safe for sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Any doubts? Any doubts? No? Thing is clear, everything. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nalini ma'am, for asking for this session.
Thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Keep singing
Thank you,
Hanuman
ma'am.
Chalisa. Thank you, Kirtana ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sri
Thank you so
Krishna.
much, ma'am. Jai Shri
Thank you.
Krishna, ma'am.
Jai Sri Krishna. Thank you.